Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, Zena the Glamper Camper, and Mr. Cameraman are on their way home. So it is time to make some dinner. We are going to be trying out a new, funky, fun food product that we got at Sam's Club. These were only like $3 and some cents, so I got two. So these are the Old El Paso Tortilla Pockets kit. So each kit comes with a pouch of taco sauce, 8 pockets, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. So let's just open this up. Now, this was on sale at Sam's Club. That's why it was only like $3 and some cents. But it was only a couple dollars off. So it's actually still a pretty good price. Okay, so it has 2 boxes inside of it. This is 4 packets, or 4 pockets. So now it says that you need 1 pound of ground beef per 4. So maybe I should just do 4 then. And then we can just eat some chips on the side or something. And then on the back right here, it shows you could do like salads and stuff in them. That would be kind of fun too. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get some ground beef going. So I've got my ground beef defrosting. It was frozen solid. One interesting thing that I don't necessarily like is normally a taco shell you would bake in the oven to make it crispy. And this has instructions to heat them. And if you put it in the oven, it says you have to wrap them in foil, which I think is kind of a huge waste of foil. So I guess I don't really understand if this is supposed to be a soft thing or if it's supposed to be a crunchy taco. Because see here, there's instructions for microwaving it, wrap pockets in microwavable paper towel, and then there's also the oven method with foil. So I'm really not sure. I'm definitely not gonna, actually I don't even think I have any foil to waste, but I'm not gonna waste foil on them, so I'm just gonna wrap them up and put them in the microwave once the meat is almost done. But let's open it up. I want to see what the sauce looks like. So I'm a little confused. Here is the taco seasoning. Here are the pockets, which they're flat. I was thinking that they were going to be like a shaped, like almost like a cylinder, like a cup shape. And there's no sauce. So right here it says contains 1 pouch of taco sauce. And there is notary, no siree, nope, zilch, not in their sauce. So that's a little disappointing, but we will survive, I guess. Our ground beef is done cooking, and Zena just got here. So now we're just going to sprinkle in the seasoning. And our 2/3 of a cup of water. Now we're supposed to simmer this until it has thickened. And while this cooks a little bit, I'm going to take these and wrap them up and put them in the microwave. These things are such a strange shape. I'm really not sure about them. And they're not even like perfectly around at the top. They're all like misshapen and strange. I got a little bit of a damp paper towel just because I feel like these are definitely supposed to be soft, not crunchy. One thing you have to be careful of is the packaging is really hard to open. So I had to use a pair of scissors. So one of them did get chopped. But that's okay. So now we are just going to microwave these. And then I think what I'm going to do is fill them up. And then, because these are just going to be beef and cheese. So I'll just fill them up with the beef. And then we'll add the cheese at the table. Okie dokie. So I just got those a little warm. Now, I do have some extra chorizo in the fridge, so I'm going to taste this. That seasoning is really, really good. But I'm never going to use this unless I do it now. So I'm going to toss it into the meat. Also, 1 pound is not tons of ground beef, but I'll be interested to see how much it fills up each one of these. And we also ended up just mixing the cheese with the meat. I'm not really sure how you could like top this without only getting your toppings in a couple of bites. See, here on the package, it shows that you mix together everything and then spoon it in, or you can layer it sideways, which I'm not quite sure how that would work exactly. So these are quite interesting. So they're not like super filled. And keep in mind that we did add extra meat. So 1 pound of meat is not going to fill them like all the way to the bottom. And I really just can't figure out when this would be like a useful item. I mean, it does take a while to fill them. Definitely think that kids would have troubles filling them. And then like I said, on the package it shows it perfectly round at the top. But it's not. It comes in right here. So your toppings are most likely going to fall out if you put any toppings in there. So I mean, it's interesting, it's fun, I guess. I just don't really know if it's very practical. What do you think, Zena? Do you think that these Old El Paso tortilla pockets are useful in the kitchen? Silence from Zena. Well, even though we added some of our own meat, let's try it. Well, the meat does stay in there surprisingly. So, I mean, it tastes good. Like I said, it's cute, it's interesting. I just don't know how practical it is or how much your family would want them, but I don't know. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Say bye.